Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my English class. Today we are going to learn the use of is, am and are. So let's start. So children, this is page number 35 and we are going to see how to use is, am and are. So look at the first sentence. I am Manu. Okay, a boy picture is given. The boy is saying I am Manu. So when do we use am? When I is written or I is used. Okay, so with I we always use am. Without fail we use am with I. I am Manu. Come to the next one. She is Amina. She is Amina. So she means one girl. We are talking about a girl. So when we are talking about one person or thing, we are going to use is. Okay? And come to the third one. We are friends. So are is used here with we. We means more than one people. So when we are talking about more than one, it can be 2, 3, 4 or any number. Then we are going to use are. I repeat, we use am. We always use am with I. And we use is with one person or thing. And we use are with more than one. When the number is more than one, we use are. Okay? Turn the page, come to page number 36. Children, now we are at page number 36. And the question is, circle the right option in these sentences. Let's see the sentence. I am, is, are. Now all the three words are given here. Three options are there. Only one is correct, that we will circle. So I dash playing with my friends. Now what are we going to write in the dash? Am, is or are. So the correct option is am. We have to circle here am because I is there and we always use am with I. I am playing with my friends. Okay? Don't forget children, whenever I is there, am has to be there. I am playing with my friends. Come to the second one. The woman dash, all the three options are given. Am, is, are. The woman reading a newspaper. So what can be the answer? So children, keep in mind here it is written the woman. So how many women is there? Only one. And we use is for one person. So we are going to circle is. Okay? Why? Because here it is the woman means one woman. So the woman is reading a newspaper. The picture is also given. How many women are there? Only one. Okay? So children, have a look here. The woman means one woman. The picture is also given. One woman is there. So we have used the word is here. Okay, circle is. The woman is reading a newspaper. Now I come to the next one, number 3. The children dash, that is am, is, are, anyone is correct. The children dash painting. Now pay attention children. The children is written and the picture is also given. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3. So it is more than one. So what are we going to use? Am, is or are. So children, the correct answer is are. So you will circle with me are. The correct answer is are. Why? Because here it is 3 children. 1, 2, 3. The children means more than one children. And you can count it also because the picture is given 1, 2, 3. So when it is more than one, we write A-R-E-R. The children are painting. Okay. Now come to the fourth one. The man dash making samosas. Now, samosas is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But about what we are talking? Who is making samosa? The man. So pay attention, how many people are making samosa? We have to consider that. Don't get confused with the picture. Okay? So what can we write? Am, is, are. So children, here the man is 1. We are talking about the man. We are not talking about the samosas. Okay, who is making samosas? The man. The man dash making samosas. So we are going to circle is because here it is the man. A single man is there, only one. So with one person we are going to use is. The man is making samosas. Okay. So don't get confused with the picture given. Fine. Okay, come to the next question. Question number B. Fill in the blanks with am, is or are. Same thing we have to do here. Here we were circling the thing. Here we have to write. Okay. And the first one is the sunflower dash yellow. So children, we can see the sunflower here is 1. How many sunflowers is there? Only 1. And what do we use with one thing? Is. So everybody will write with me. Is. The sunflower is yellow because we are talking about only one sunflower here. Fine. Now come to the second one. The cups dash full. Now pay attention children. The cups. Here it is. S is written. Here S is written after cup. So it is more than 1. It can be 2, 4, 10. Any number. The cups dash full. So what can be the answer? So children, because the cups, here it is more than 1. S is written. Cups. It can be any number. The cups. More than 1. So we are going to use the word A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. Everybody will write with me. The cups are full. Why we have used R? Because we are talking about the cups which is more than 1 in number. And how do we come to know it is more than 1? Because S is written after cup. Okay. Now come to the third one. The mouse dash hiding. What can be the answer? Is, am or are. So children, you can see in the picture of a mouse is also given. How many mouse is there? Only 1. Here also it is written the mouse. Okay, it is only 1 mouse here. We are talking about 1 mouse. So what are we going to write? The mouse dash hiding. We are going to write is for 1 mouse. Write it with me. Is. We use is for one thing, animal or maybe person. The mouse is hiding. Okay. Come to the fourth one. I dash hungry. So what are we going to write for I? So children, as you can see, I is written here. And with I we always use am. So we are going to write here am. Write with me. Am. I am hungry. Okay. Whenever I is there, we will use am. I am hungry. We don't use is or are with I. We always use am with the word I. I repeat, I am hungry. Now come to the last one. The dog dash barking. What are we going to use for the dog? Am, is or are. So children, here it is written the dog. How many dog is there? Only 1. And what do we use for one animal? Is. So we are going to write here is. The dog is barking. Okay. So how do we check, children? Am. We use am with I. Whenever I is there, you will always use am. And is. When do we use is? We use is with one person, animal or thing when it is 1 in number. And the last one, when do we use are? When we are talking about more than one person, place, animal or thing. We are talking about more than one, then we will use ARER. Okay? Come on children, let's repeat all the sentences. Repeat after me, children, from the very beginning. I am playing with my friends. We have used here am because I is there. Okay? Come to the second one. The woman is reading a newspaper. As we can see in the picture also, one woman is there, so we will use the word is. Come to number 3. The children are painting. How many children are there in the picture? 1, 2, 3. And the word children itself means more than one. It can be any number, and here it is 3 children. Okay? So it is more than one. So we are going to use the word ARER. The children are painting. Number 4. The man is making samosas. Who is making samosas, children? The man. And how many man is there? Only one. So we have used here is. Although the samosas are more in number, but here who is making samosa? The man. We are talking about the man. So we have used is. Okay? Now come to fill in the blanks. Repeat after me. The sunflower is yellow. We have used is because the sunflower is 1. Second one, the cups are full. Why we have used are? Because here it is written cups. S is there. So that means cups is more in number, more than 1. So we will use ARER. Third one, the mouse is hiding. How many mouse is there? Only one. Picture is also given. One mouse is there. So we have used the word is. The fourth one, I am hungry. Now when I is there, we have to use am. Without fail, we have to write am. I am hungry. Okay? So whenever I is there, you will use am. And the fifth one, the dog is barking. Now we are talking about the dog. How many dog is there? Only one. So we have used the word is because we use is for one person, place or animal. Fine. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.